Hey folks, good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Monday. Is what date again? June 18. As we welcome everyone. World Cup time, but we still have to do other work, don't we? So we welcome our friends on OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on TelevisionJamaica.com. Hope you had a great weekend. The fathers, hope you had a great Father's Day yesterday. And we wish you many, many, many more, of course. Let me just tell you quickly
How
that...
was yours, by the way?
Mine was all right. I had fun yesterday.
Yes, I saw.
Yeah, I had great fun yesterday. I mean, Brazil didn't win, but I still had fun.
What do you feel about parts? Zigzags? Patterns. How do you feel about patterns in your hair?
Who's the first match and you start going?
No, I'm just playing with options.
No, the deal is if Brazil don't win World Cup, you are going to shave me bald. That's the deal.
No, but
That is the deal.
Right, but suppose I want to give you a style. So maybe I shave off like an area, but then I leave a patch and leave my signature in there. And my signature could be whatever.
Not going to work.
Just think about it.
It is not going to work.
Fine.
But today at 7 o'clock, it's Korea Republic up against Sweden. That's live on TVJ SN. And then the other two games today will be live here on TVJ. 10 o'clock, Belgium, Panama. So. And then 1 o'clock, Tunisia versus England. A lot of us anxious to see this England team. Some people think they could do some stuff. And I've said it before that my dark horse team would be Belgium. I think they're a wonderful team. But yesterday was interesting because yesterday, not for the first time, actually the third time in the last 4 world tournaments, the defending champion did not win the opening game. So that's really no surprise. Maybe it's a surprise that you didn't expect Mexico to beat Germany, but no surprise that the
Mexico
champion.
did some bad yesterday.
So Germany lost yesterday, Brazil tied, Argentina tied a couple of days before.
Argentina tied?
Argentina tied.
You sure about that?
So the only team so far that people say could win the World Cup that won their first game would have been France. So it's quite interesting. But again, today, 3 games on today, and we invite you to watch us. How was your weekend?
I don't remember much of it, but it was good.
Well, you were what? Why wouldn't you remember? Is this yesterday and the day before?
We can't remember 5 minutes ago you asking about yesterday. But I don't think anything that was bad happened. It was a good weekend.
You don't think? So you were
spent some time with my dad yesterday.
Oh, great.
I don't know what I did on Saturday. I worked Saturday. Yeah. Anyway, I had a good weekend.
Yeah, good.
Can't complain.
My son sent me Kareem. My son Kareem.
I was going to say, which of them?
A bounty killer video. That he didn't hear it? That he did a thing for the dads, bounty killer. Did something for the dads.
Oh.
So my son sent it to me.
Oh.
That was interesting. So he sent it from Fari to me.
Here. That's right.
That was
but you know he's well plugged in today.
You know, can someone find it? I'm sure everybody. It's about 30 seconds, but bounty killer. He actually does bigging up the fathers. I think I deleted it because you know me already.
Yes, you delete
I
fast.
delete everything. But that was interesting when he sent it to me. But I hope y'all had a brilliant day yesterday. Yeah, I delete everything, so I don't have it.
It's all right. We'll find it again before the show are done.
So again, just let me say this again. Sweden, Korea on TVJSN at 7 o'clock. Say here, Marvin have it. Belgium, Panama at 1 o'clock, at 10 o'clock, and then Tunisia, England at 1 o'clock. What's coming up on the show this morning?
Coming up on the show this morning, we are packing all the early morning nutrients into the blender. We've got a couple of folks from Panganut Smoothie, shaking and storing up breakfast in a glass this morning.
Panganut.
Pomegranates.
Yeah, and once you aren't around glass, it's okay to go barefooted. And we've got a few health benefits from skipping shoes for a few hours.
Yeah, I'm here for that.
Yeah, I only do it at home. I can't walk barefoot out the road.
Where you call outer road?
Like, I see people, like, even the kids down at school, them finish training and them take off the boots and them just walk up and up on the grass barefoot. Well, Muta Peruka never wears shoes, but...
I'm here for that.
I do it at home.
I'm here for it.
I kind of... No, if it's dirty, I think I feel like...
Yeah, if it's dirty then. But you wouldn't come out of your house and go out in the yard barefooted?
Well, that's what I say. When I see the youth them do it on school, they just walk along on the grass.
I
And
mean, out of your own yard. When
Yeah.
you're gardening and so you have one shoe?
yeah, I've usually worn my slippers.
Okay. We're starting the 7 o'clock hour on an amazing note. 1G Satter copying 100% in 100% of her subjects. We're going to meet her this morning.
amazing, yeah.
What? It's
100 and
fantastic.
everything. What if I get 100 in my life? Actually, I got 100 in Spanish one time. No, you're not catching me this morning. You are not catching
It's
me.
Monday.
You are not
It's
catching me.
Monday. You don't have to. Come on, man. Okay, good. Start
And it's a
after
subject as old as time. Should absent fathers be blamed for children's involvement in crime? And anthropologist stops by for that discussion.
And the football discussion is going to be ongoing, and it's going to last really for the next month. Even beyond that, because when World Cup done, people will still be talking. But what are the kids saying? That's going to be interesting. We're going to find out later. Right now, though, we hit our hot topic.
You know what's interesting too? At
come
the end
with
of
us.
the okay.
Oh, is what? What you were saying?
When I was going to say at the end of the World Cup, almost every single schoolboy footballer will have a name of someone
On the team?
on some team.
That's true?
You'll be surprised. I mean, like we had a Yaya Toure at St. George's.
I was watching yesterday and I thought to myself, the amount of young boys that must be inspired to now play ball and to just strive to be like one of these great ballers. Can only do good
But
for
you know,
them.
and it's, listen, every team that goes to the World Cup will get at least 8 million US. Every single team. So if you play 3 matches and you lose the 3 of them, you're going to get 8 million US. Every team.
I would go
And
just
then
to
the
lose.
further you go,
I'd
the
be
more
okay
you
with
get.
that.
So you could end up getting like 20 million if you get to the final or something like that. Anyway, hot topics.
Go on.
Apparently there are going to be some issues at the Washington Boulevard Doheny Drive traffic signals. Apparently it's going to be temporarily turned off today. They're saying that it will be taken out of operation for approximately 8 hours. It says the traffic signals will be turned off at 9:30 this morning and will be switched back on at 5:30 this afternoon.
Why are they doing that?
Well, you tell me.
Turned off to facilitate the relocation of the traffic signal mast arms and control cabinet. Forms part of works being undertaken along Washington Boulevard to improve the alignment of the lanes along critical sections of the major corridor. Okay, so they're moving the actual the arms that the lights are on and the
I
control.
suspect they will have police officers or
So police will assist with directing traffic through
Yeah.
the intersection during the period the traffic signals will be suspended. Please, people, if you're on that corridor today, Washington Boulevard, Doheny Drive, take your time today. The lights are out. Police should be out, but do proceed with caution, please, so we have no accidents today. Tonks.
All right.
Very tonks. What's going on here? Who done it?
I don't know.
We need to call in Inspector Gadget.
Yeah, they stole World Boss. World Best. Oh, me reach World Boss. World
Where's
Best.
your...
They stole those right there. A signed pair of running shoes worn by World Best. He wore it in the 100 meters at the 2012 games, it says. There are only 4 or 5 pairs that have been signed from the London 2012 games.
Absolutely irreplaceable. They must find this person.
Yeah, they said that 35-year-old man has been charged in connection. So I don't know if they find the shoes.
Where shoes have yet to be recovered? Sir, what you do with the... Sir, Mr. Sir, where are the shoes, please? I don't understand you. All right, that means they must find it. Okay, so Lantoinette Steins, a good friend of the show, wants credit from Beyonce and Jay-Z. Yes, you heard us right.
Why?
Because she is not pleased about not being credited on the album Everything Is Love, which is a new album that used to released in secret, oh my God, on Sunday. Steins' voice is featured on the track Black Effect. It was brought to my attention by my daughter who's overseas. Someone told her about it. I just don't understand why I wasn't credited. They interviewed me when they came here earlier this year, and I didn't know that it would have ended up on an album. What? Did y'all really do that, Bay and J? Z and say? Why would you? I mean, if you're gonna use somebody's voice on your album,
Pay them.
at least credit them.
Pay them.
So people can know that it's anyway. So she says she's contemplating options to ensure that she's credited. So we'll see where that goes from there. Okay, today says what date of the month? 18.
All right, listen.
So who's born today?
Hello, yellow pal fathers who are hold the hardest, guns sperm down around ya. Me yellow pal the genuine fathers. Over the years you hear me bigging up the mothers. But right I know it's about the hard-working fathers, holding down the family like soldiers on the borders. Well, some are carpenter and some are farmers, some are police and teachers, some of them are warders. But me say all of them are hard-working fathers, holding down the family like soldiers on the borders.
Easy. Someone said.
Yo, killer voice, sick, you know, man.
What? Toughest
Jeez,
hardcore
Herb.
DJ in the world. So my son sent me that from Ford.
That's very sentimental and lovey-dovey.
Yeah, I remember another son was coming down to Jamaica to perform something. So I tell him, say, if I can come in, and him say, yeah, when you reach the gate, if you have no issue, just ask for me. And him come from Ford. So I said, okay.
That's how deep he rolled, yo. Daddy, I'm yo.
Yeah, him just said,
I'm
Daddy,
the man.
when you reach, if you have no issue at the gate, just ask me. Me sort you out. That's
Roll
okay,
reverse on.
son.
Roll reverse on. What's he telling the people who wake up this morning to watch football?
I told him that at 7 o'clock over at TVJ SN, the game starts Korea Republic, which is South Korea. They go up against Sweden. And 10 o'clock right here, you have Belgium, and they will play Panama.
What do you have to tell the people who are wondering why every game can't be carried on TVJ?
Because TVJ has other obligations.
Correct.
And
Other programs that have to air.
and some of them
can't-
we just can't get out of. But I think it's 64 games, and I think about 50 of them will be on TVJ. So you're really not missing anything. And then when it comes down to the quarterfinals and the semifinals and the finals, everything will be right here.
Right. So
and-
all of the programs can be upended.
Right, and then you could see the replayed games here, and then you could see replayed games over on TVJSN. So yeah, we're trying to do as best as we can. But
People
we-
keep telling me, you can't tell Bertis we need to watch it, so and so. And
Yeah.
it's not, I'm like, it's not Bertis.
yeah, and yeah.
I mean, it
it's-
is Bertis' fault usually, but
no,
this time it's
this
not.
time it's not my decision.
Yeah.
All right, so happy birthday to Georgian. Georgian works at the Philrack Ruby Station on Denier Road, right at the top of Denier Road. You come down from Excelsior, and she's been there for a long time. It's her birthday today,
What's her name?
Georgian.
Georgian.
Yeah, so I hope you have an absolutely brilliant day today. I wish you so many, many more birthdays, and I'll probably see you later.
What?
Yeah, because that's where I do.
Georgian?
No, that's where I do everything. I go to that service
What?
station. Yeah, you know me already.
What do you do there?
Georgia is my good friend. Don't get her in trouble.
What?
It's not my girlfriend, so don't get her in any trouble. It's my good friend. And she kind of look after me.
What?
Yes, she does. It's my friend.
What does she do for you?
Look after me. So
Like,
sometimes if I'm in the mood and I say, you know, I
Hey,
feel
what?
like. Yeah. So if I'm in the mood and I say, you know, that number 4 good I played today, I kind of call Georgia. I'm not quitting because I'm not saying anything wrong. So I mean quit while
You're
I
in the mood for what?
That's why I say, I am telling you. Simone, I said, but if you don't listen, I'll tell a story. Everybody just
Qualify
jumping in.
quickly.
If I am in the mood to buy a number, I call Georgia and I say, Georgia, I want a number. And she says, not a problem. And she just sort it out for me.
She sought out the number?
Yeah. What?
So,
Yeah.
yes.
Wait,
What number
I-
does she buy? Let me check.
What number she buy?
Yeah.
She don't buy the number, it's me buy the number, it's me tell her what number I want.
Okay.
But sometimes I'm not there, so I can't give her cash on hand.
Yeah.
So she'll put it through and have to rush go on and pay. George and his youth, they might try to get in trouble. You know, not
We just want to know what's going on
All
in
right.
your life.
And then tomorrow is the youngster at St. George's College, Lee Croft Letman Jr. They call him Lee because they call him Father Lee. So they call him Lee.
Or Little Lee.
No, they call him Lee, not
Okay.
Little Lee. So it's his birthday tomorrow. Lily, I hope you have a great day tomorrow. Your mom says she loves you. Your dad, he loves you. And of course, I love you because he's my boy.
You also love Georgia.
I love Georgia, yeah? Yeah. I love Georgia and plenty.
You love her plenty.
Plenty. He's
Plenty,
my friend.
plenty.
He's my friend. I love you plenty. Oh.
It's not about me.
Watch out. You see, you can't take it out.
see what you
Happy
did there.
birthday, folks.
Hey,
Happy
yeah.
birthday.